Soldering Arduino Nano. I started the iron soldering the plug. Now it will heat slowly. This is the 35-watt iron solder. I suggest everyone to use a smaller bit or a 25-watt iron solder because Arduino Nano is very small and it's fragile, so it should be protected. So anyways, I have small skill, but I'm still trying to do it with 35-watt iron solder. That's nonsense, right? I am excited to do it. That's why I'm doing it still. Here is the flux. You should take the flux. It helps in, what can I say? It helps in soldering it very cleanly. Though it's not done cleanly. Lol. Anyways, let's see if the solder is working right now. Oh, yes, it is working. Keep yourselves this metal thing handy. It is very handy. And it's also important for the it doesn't really make sense, but still. Let's solder. Just put the iron solder small on one pin right here and just feed it a little bit. Make sure it doesn't go out of the line. See, it's just rounded like it. I'll apply a little bit of flux. Why didn't I apply it more? Still, let's do it again. There. Now that's called beautiful. Now I'm opening the solder a bit. This is the DIY solder. I just made it yesterday. It's crap. So put the solder, feed it. There, beautiful. Feed it. There, again. Keep yourself handy a wet sponge. It's very good. Now, but before the wet sponge, just soak it, or else something can happen with the iron solder. The solder a little bit, and then again feeding it. Some flux. In case if you by mistake make a very big one, just put the solder tip there. Sorry, not the tip. So then feed it. And it's not sticking in this. So again, in this case scenario, just use the flux. It's very good. Right there, it's beautiful. And now I feed it this one. I'm feeding this. First time. And I'm also soldering by myself for the first time. To mention. I also trialed it once on this Arduino. The pins are just, what do I say? It's clear out. Like it. So I do the same with another pin again. Oh wait, see? It's stuck with each other. When it's stuck with each other, just put the solder a few times and it helps. See? We'll do it with the other pins which are not blocks. Come there. Oops, it's stuck together again. See? Just keeping it. If it anyways gets overheated, just turn it off because this is a 35 watt and it's a bit harmful for your Arduino. I've done all the pins right now. I guess this is all just for today. Oops. Guys, get out, get out, get out. Mistake, turn on, keep it on the silent server and just keep it on the wet sponge. It will damage it. See? It's moist. And also, always turn it off when you're not using it and take out the plug. Because if by mistake you turn it on, it's going to be a disaster. The whole room will burn into flames. If it was helpful, the video, consider liking it. Yeah.